Hello, to schedule SMS on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings. You have to go into messages, and from there you have to select a contact you want to send scheduled message. So in my case it's this one, and simply you have to input any message, and right now if you want to send it you have to press and hold the send button, and here you have schedule send, and here are some free options, and you can also pick yourself a date and time to send a message, for example for tomorrow, and you can set an hour to 6 a.m. let's say. And as you can see, here is the schedule set it, and you simply send it, and as you press this little icon right here, that's the information that the message is scheduled, and you can update the message, you can send it now, or you can delete it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.